We are at the premier bike shop on the Upper West Side. Hey everyone, it's Martina with Big Review TV here at Innovation Bike Shop. Let's go inside and check out some bikes. Innovation Bike Shop can fix anything from BMX to mountain to road, any squeak, bobble, or hiss. They'll have you riding back out there in no time. They have delivery service in Manhattan anytime your bikes need service, and they have bike rentals where you can reserve a bike online at innovationbikeshop.com. For tune-ups, they have everything from basic packages, which includes a clean and degrease of your bike, and brake and gear adjustments, and they have a deluxe package which includes the basic and proper wheel adjustments, and they have a pro package which includes a complete overhaul of your bike.